Ni na udhocha nyenito wa Robert Mutuku na ke Sharon Ndinda niwo kutwalila mauvoa kwanzia ya meko. Ayumbe aingi Ukamba mbungeni ya ikumi na ile mena muikiio uthukumi wo niw'o uumatonyethya kusyokethya ingi mbungeni ya ikumi na itatu nthini wa unyuvani munene ukite mwaini wa nyaanya. Maiweta na Itina wa Mbunge Kuvunzw'A ni maweta menda nthi mamekie kithimini nthini wa kampeni sio na kuona kana ni mailite walembeleta kana vala ilembetani ya Ukamba no Ayumbe Patrick Musimba wa Kibwezi yodholoni wa Sua na muyumbe Charles Kilonzo wa Yata mateithi wa maiweta ivila sio Musimba yenda ungavana wa kaunti ya Mawoni na ke Charles Kilonzo ayenda useneta wa kaunti ya Masako. Benjamin Mwaka na watu mbanisya mauvoa.
The sittings of the National Assembly of the 12th Parliament now stands adjourned sine die.
Uthukumi wa mbunge ya kumi na ile we umuonesedile vinda yevina kumanwa na itulumo sya vakuve miaka ile sikuwa mwisho ya corona. Ayumbe mailasimika kumanda nzia sya mitandao ya matukwa kutoa isikalo sya kamiti katoa nzienge uthukumi niw'o. Atio kwa Ayumbe ingi nikana mbunge ni ya neise ne so uthukumi wayo undu vailite.
On a fair rating out of 10, I'll give them 7. I'll give the parliament 7.
Tuina inaka umwingi tunanena ni chao chalite kichao getronotethya mwenenzi.
Muyumba mwingi Iulu engineer Paul Musimi Zengu na ulawita muni ya kiambe. Weta tamuni no mandhi ya kalimake mali ya dhatu mwingi na yu eithiwa hayetia kula tanza ungo maunduni ma uthukumi wa maundu ma mbunge. Nake muyumba Makueni Daniel kitongoa manzo. Weta enenthi make no mathini kiyundu vailite kukutana na thina wa kiuku isila kusukumia wake wa silanga munene wa thwake na yu hitho ikulya mamutume Senate no kana akatete county nima.
Ni naziana zina budget ya kivu na ya environment ya wildlife na ya mining. Nini kite silanga kadhaa kila pando katika kila ward ya Mwingi North. Watu ungeani pamoja na pipeline ya almost 100 million. Shuka over 800 million. Izi ni budget nimbeza sienza wa CDF na sienza ya location ila enenga ni mbunge.
Kendo kila ni nathukumia pyo na nambeji okithukumia ondana natwika mbunge ni anduma Makueni na anduma Ukamba mendhola kiw'o na nisilanga wa thwake damu wina total ya 82 billion. Kiu ni notanu muno yulwacho na silanga de na vingiwe muno na anduma na metwa kotini na menda yungamwe na nyene yumya ta wakili na thi kotini na ungamya matinga maikuwa na ungamya sindu sia silange switioswa nondo silange sio kaungama banini ndesa kuendea ingi.
Ayumbe ingi ma ilembeta Ukamba maine na kavindani kasi kalosya muthiasya mbunge ni makathi ya uthukumu wa mbunge ya kumi na ile na maweta mena muikiio nimeusa kwengi kuende ivila ni nthini wa unyuvani munene ukite mwaini wa nana.
I have made it very clear I will not be defending my seat and I'll be going for the Senate. And for the Machakos people, I promise them I'm bringing experience.
I take this opportunity to thank the people of Kibwezi East for giving me the chance to serve them not one term but 2 terms consecutively.
Let me also say that I'm very grateful to the people of Kitui West whom I've served for those 4 years. I've been able to do a lot.
For the third time, I have a party sponsorship, the third time of Wiper Democratic Movement. I don't want to take it for granted, Honorable Speaker. This is also a show of confidence in my leadership.
I want to thank God for the people of Masinga constituency who have elected me for the first 5 years.
To my colleagues, I can only pray for you. Those who are coming back in the 13th Parliament, to our families that keep upholding us every day, and to our noble venture that we are about to embark on, which is to go and serve the people of Makueni, indeed as their governor, God willing.
Nikavindani ka mbunge vala uthukumi wayo kwa vanene we na umwe ngalikonia ala aingi ma serikali na ala mangaliko yolei kumano na ngethi ya handshake ya mwaka wa 2018. Mitalatala mingi minene ile na vitukiwe kavindani kan vamwena wa kuongela koti yani VAT kuongela kiwango cha nthi cha ngova ngina trilioni 10 mwao mweo wa siamasya kiuteti katuwa miao ingi kauta uthukumi kavindani ka handshake wo unailiata
Vibrance ila no kita nayo azioke yatilwa na ondozu na mosio kokanete kala nekana kumwe no na etio handshake ne etio osio munini lakini ne yanangie muno musamo wa mbunge kanazu
Dilivotea vilingwa mauvo kumava kaundini lovi nye nitawa Benjamin na mwaka.